Hello and welcome to Insider Shot. In this video, today we are going to discuss about Commodity Channel Index or CCI, which is a technical indicator which many traders use to identify the strength of the trend. So in this video, we'll describe what is CCI and how CCI is calculated, and we'll make a separate video to explain how to use CCI in your trading. Okay, so let's start. So CCI or Commodity Channel Index is a simple indicator which uses the average of 20 candles, last 20 candles. Though the normal setting in a CCI is 20, that is, it takes the average of the last 20 candles and uses their mean deviation to calculate a range. Okay, so I'll just quickly give an example of how CCI is calculated. Okay, so here we have, suppose, 6 people who go to a gym. Okay, and each person has a different capacity to lift weights. Okay, so the first person has a capacity, say, of 40 kgs, the second has a capacity of 30 kgs, the third a 20 kg, the fourth has a capacity of 70 kg, and so on, 90 and 50. Okay, so what we'll do first is we'll calculate an average of all these. Okay, the average of all the weights that can be lifted by these 6 people is 50. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll have to calculate mean deviation. So this is mean or average is the same thing. So how do we calculate mean deviation, that on an average these 6 people can pick up 50 kgs of weight? So how each person differentiates or differs from that average? Okay, so for that, what we'll do, we'll minus the weight they can lift from the average. Okay, so for the first person it comes to minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, this will be plus 20, this will be plus 40, and this will be 0. Okay, so what this data, the second data which we have calculated, shows us that this person, suppose say this person, can lift 30 kilograms less than the average that the group can lift. Okay, so what this means, that this person is comparatively weaker than other people in the group. Okay, similarly, if you go for this person, he can lift 40 kgs more than the average. So this person is relatively stronger than the group. Okay, we can also use this same concept in trading. Okay, so say there are 10 candles, and if say these are all candles. Okay, so if these are all the datas or the prices of the candle, and these are the deviations from the mean, so this candle will be more bullish as it is a good positive number, and this candle will be more bearish as this has a more negative number. Okay, so now what CCI does next is it finds out the mean deviation, that how much are each numbers deviating from the mean. Okay, so how do we calculate mean deviation is that we add up all the deviations irrespective of its sign, whether it's negative or positive. So the total will come here around as 60, 100, 120. 120 by 6, because there are 6 people. So the mean deviation in this will be 20. So 20 is the mean deviation. And now what CCI actually does is it divides this mean deviation from the deviation. Okay, so suppose if we divide this deviation number 40 by 20, we'll get 2, which is a strong number. But similarly, if we divide minus 20, minus 10 or minus 30 from this mean deviation, they'll have a negative number. Okay, so this will be relatively weaker number. So this is simply what the Commodity Channel Index or the CCI indicator does, is that it divides the mean deviation from the deviation of the last 20 candle prices of any time frame which you are choosing. If you are choosing 5 minutes, the last 20 candles which closed 5 minutes earlier, or if you are going for the daily, it does the same calculation in daily. Okay, so what the aim of CCI or index in doing this is that if the deviation, if the outcome of the calculation is positive or a higher number, it shows that the trend is stronger. Okay, and if it is the negative number, if the outcome is a negative number, it shows that the trend is weak. So what a trader or an investor uses CCI is to find if the trend really has a strength or not. As same as in the example, this person compared to the group has strength which is larger than the other group, and similarly this person has strength which is less than the others in the group. Similarly, so the basic setting in a CCI, which is 20, is what it does is it calculates the deviation and mean deviation of the previous 20 candles and gives you a number which tells you if the trend is strong or not. So what many people do in CCI is that they think above 100 is overbought and minus 100 is oversold, which is not a good practice to do, because what CCI, as what we have learned here, is what CCI does is it tells you if the strength of the trend is right or not. It doesn't show you that if the market is oversold or overbought. So you have to keep this in mind, and we will soon come out with a video to explain how you can use CCI indicator in your trading strategies. So do subscribe to our channel. We'll soon post another video which will have an explanation of how to trade. This was just a brief about commodity channel index and how it is calculated. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends. Thank you.